What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. So today I will be preparing Jamaican salt mackerel with hard-boiled food in my kitchen, so stick around now. So in the pot I have some water that I'm going to allow to come to a rapid boil before I add my salt mackerel. So this is my Jamaican salt mackerel. So what I did, I washed it properly before I add it into the pot. So this is over half a pound of salt mackerel. But you know, guys, salt mackerel has a lot of bones. So you know, depending on the number of persons that you will be cooking yours for, you use the salt mackerel to that amount. Alright. In the pot I have some water that I will be adding some salt. So you add the salt to your taste. So you know, guys, everybody cook them hard-boiled food differently. So please do not come to me in the comment section and tell me, say, this is not the way you prepare hard-boiled food. This is my way. So if you do it differently, do it your way and I do it my way. So after I add my salt, I like to give it a stir and then I cover the pot and let it come to a rapid boil. So as I can see, my water is boiling. I don't like to use a lot of water when I'm boiling my salt mackerel. As you know, salt mackerel, it has a lot of salt from its name, right? So you know you don't want to over add the water in the pot. So as it boils, you know, as the water boils, it's going to rise, alright? And you don't want it to boil over the stove. So what I like to do, when I add the salt mackerel, I cover the pot. And when it starts boiling rapidly, I will kind of open the pot halfway. So you will see when I do that. When you do it that way, guys, the salt water will not boil over on the stove. Because you know, guys, salt on the stove don't work well together, alright? You don't want to destroy your stove with the salt. So that is how I do my thing in my kitchen though, guys, alright? So here I have my Jamaican green banana and my yellow yam. So I'm not going to put any dumplings with mine, but if you want, you can always cook some dumplings, guys. You know, today I just used some banana with yam, so I'm going to prepare what I feel for. So I washed my banana and my yam and I pat dry them. So now I'm going to peel the bananas. Afterwards, I'm going to peel the yam. So with the yam, guys, it scratches my skin. So if I peel the yam first and then I wash it, then my skin will itch. So I like to wash it first, dry it, and then I peel it. So if you do it differently, guys, go ahead and do it the way you do it. Also with the bananas, I like to rub oil on my fingers before I peel it. That way the stain will not, you know, stick on my fingers. My fingers will not be stainy. So if you do it different way, as I say, it's your kitchen, so do your thing in your kitchen, alright? So I like to peel the bananas two different ways, as I showed you earlier. So I'm just peeling the banana. I know everybody knows how to peel bananas, or almost everyone. So I'm just going to peel like 2 bananas and let you see. I will do the rest off camera. So when you peel the bananas, if there is any skin left, when you peel it, just use a knife and remove it. So if you're new to my channel and you're enjoying the content, remember to subscribe for more Jamaican recipes. Also turn on your post notification bells so you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Please give this recipe a thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. You know, when you thumbs up the video, guys, the channel will grow. Alright? So I am very appreciative of the support. And I hope you guys will continue to support my channel as I create more interesting and delicious contents. Some of you may be wondering why I did not add the bananas in a different container when I peel it. But for me, banana has a lot of stains. So when I'm peeling bananas in my kitchen, I try not to put it everywhere in there. Because you know, I don't want it to stain the things in my kitchen. So that's why I did it that way. So my salt mackerel has been boiling for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to throw off the water, put some fresh water, let it boil again, and then so I'm gonna boil it twice and then I put it to soak. So I'm finished peeling my banana, so I'm going to peel my yellow yam now. So this is how I prepare my yellow yam. I remove the top first and then I try to peel the yam as thin as I can, whereas I don't waste the yam. Alright guys, yam is very nice to me. I love my yellow yam, and so when I'm peeling it, I ensure that I don't waste any of it. Alright, so that's what I do with my yam. You know, everybody peel the yam differently, but sometimes I have to peel it deep. You know, sometimes the yam is not good. You know, it has some faults on it. Like sometimes it might get burned, or you know, the yam is too young, or you know them way there, guys. As Jamaicans, we know we go with our yam sometimes. Guys, trust me, sometimes I buy a yam, and believe me, I want to get like 2 slices from my yam because it's not good. Some of them, they can't even wait for the yam to be fit enough to sell. They just, you know, they just dig the yam and sell it, see me, because they want money, yeah, but you know, people spending their money. So you know, when you spend your money, you expect to get what you deserve. So guys, as you can see, my water is boiling. Earlier I added some salt. So I also like to add my banana skin to the pot. Guys, trust me, the skin has a lot of nutrients that you do not want to waste. So normally I like to cook the skin with the banana and the yam. So first I like to add my yam, let it cook for about 4 or 5 minutes before I add my bananas. Reason being, the banana is softer than the yam, so it will cook faster. So if you add the bananas with the yam, sometimes the banana get mashed out in the pot because the yam don't finish cook. So I like to cook the yam, you know, cook it like 5 minutes or so, as I said earlier before. So at this point, I will be adding my green bananas to the pot. So if you don't want to add the banana skin, guys, no problem, you don't have to add it. So guys, in Jamaica, we have something what we call pot soup or pot water. So sometimes I do drink it. You know, it has a lot of nutrients. Everything, almost everything boils out of the banana and the skin and the yam, and it makes a broth. So you know, that has a lot of nutrients that some of us throw away. But I don't always drink it though. Sometimes I do, sometimes I can't bother. So if you drink it, guys, comment down below and tell my recipes how it tastes to you, what you use it for. Some persons they drink it for like if they have like gas problem or so, but you know, comment down below and let me know. Alright, so guys, I'm preparing my salt mackerel. This is how I do it. I don't like, you know, the outer part of the salt mackerel. I like to get rid of all of it before I eat it. So if you like to eat it, you can always leave it, okay? So I have some oil on the stove, so I will be adding my natural seasoning into the hot oil. So I'm only going to be using onion, tomatoes, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper. But if you want to use some sweet peppers or whatever you like to add to your salt mackerel, guys, go ahead and add it. You know, this is what I love to add to mine, you know. So I'm just going to let them saute, you know, bring out the flavors together for about 2-3 minutes, and then I will move on to the next step. So guys, pertaining to the salt mackerel, ensure that you remove all the bones because I don't want anyone to be choking while they're eating. And also, guys, I don't eat like the head. You know, all of those parts are wasted. I think most of the times, guys, when I buy salt mackerel, it's like I waste my money because I don't eat the head. And you know, you have to remove all of those bones and, you know. But I love to eat salt mackerel. Salt mackerel is so delicious to me. So after about 3 minutes, I am adding my salt mackerel to the oil. So guys, use the amount of oil that you like as well. I don't love a lot of oil. I think this is a whole lot of oil for me. But you know, it's your kitchen. So you know, you do it the way you love it. So I like to stir my salt mackerel very well. Then I'm going to add a few more ingredients. So guys, stick around to the end to see how it looks. And I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, remember to thumbs it up. You know, subscribe. Yeah, I really appreciate that. So I'm adding some tomato ketchup. It is totally optional. You don't have to add it. Remember, I added tomato already. I'm also adding some black pepper. That is optional as well. So just stir ingredients as you add them, you know, so that they can be fully incorporated. Afterwards, I'm going to add some vinegar. You know, guys, I can't cook salt mackerel without some vinegar in it, you know. So I'm adding some white vinegar to my, like a cork full of it, or like say a teaspoon then, or half a teaspoon. So after I add the vinegar, just stir it and I'm going to let it cook for about 5 more minutes, and then it will be all done. Also guys, if you want to cut your pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, you can always do so. I am afraid of the heat, so I just need the flavor from the pepper. Honestly, I don't love pepper. So guys, at this point my good up salt mackerel finished, so I'm going to plate some and then I'll return and let you see the end product. So stick around guys to the end to see my delicious Jamaican meal. Okay guys, so this is the end product. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing. Please comment down below, tell me what fits me cook next in my kitchen, and as from my kitchen to yours, enjoy. See you next time. Bye.